Are you sick and tired of singing the blues as you react to putting out fires? Are you bored listening to elevator music reaction management everyone is playing and know there must be a better way? Then you need rock and roll risk management. Hi, I'm Jason Mefford. I'm the lead singer of Rock and Roll Risk Management. I work with executives who think different, and they become rock stars that change the world, one decision and one person at a time. You know, risk management failures have a crushing impact on organizations, society, and the lives of individuals. The financial crisis of 2008 alone wiped out over $19 trillion and 8.8 million jobs. Unfortunately, we continue to see decisions made every day that negatively impact organizations and individuals. Organizations are still spending millions of dollars reacting to unanticipated risk. They are still surprised when they fail to assess the full impact of their decisions. They still find themselves burdened by details instead of focusing on big picture issues that really threaten achieving key objectives. And we're going to continue repeating history until we change how we manage risk and make better decisions. So, how do rock stars change the world? They think different than the old Rat Pack, and they understand risk management is ultimately about helping managers make risk-informed decisions to achieve objectives in an uncertain world. They are well-rounded and see the world as it is, proactively anticipating how forces and events in the world impact their organization. They want to change the world, and they know they can by helping people make better decisions. So, if what you hear is music to your ears, and you want to get rocking and rolling in your life and career, I would love to work with you.